The definition of an asset is something that brings money into your pocket. The definition of a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. So if we think about your home, is it bringing money into your pocket? Are you getting cash flow every month from your home? Is it paying you to live there? Or are you paying to live there? Is it the money coming out of your pocket? Well, it's coming out of your pocket because you have to pay your mortgage, you have to pay for utilities, you have to pay for lawn care, you have to pay for cleaning if you have a cleaning person, you have to pay for supplies to keep it up and repairs, right? So there's a lot of things. So your home is not an asset unless you find a way to generate income from your home.